Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and gear to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're taking a look at a compact yet robust addition to your home security arsenal, the Lockly Smart Safe. This little safe packs a punch with smart features and impressive durability. Let's jump right in. Now, this isn't your average safe. It's compact, it's smart, and it's built like a tank. Perfect for keeping your valuables secure without taking up too much space. First off, let's talk design. The Lockly Smart Safe is sleek and compact, designed to fit neatly on a shelf or in a drawer. It's made from sturdy alloy steel with a pneumatic-powered lid, giving it a substantial feel. The construction feels premium, and it comes with a fireproof inlay to protect your items in case of a fire. Security-wise, it's impressive. You've got multiple ways to access it. A fingerprint sensor on the front panel that's super responsive. Plus a numeric keypad that changes its layout each time you use it. A neat security feature to prevent code guessing. Oh, and there's a physical lock too, just in case. Now, I know you're wondering, how tough is it really? Well, I put it through some serious tests. I tried to pry it open with tools, drop it, even threw some rocks at it. Surprisingly, it held up incredibly well, with just minor scuffs and no real damage to the integrity of the safe. One of my favorite parts about this safe is its smart features. You can control it via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi using the Lockly app. Setup was a breeze, and the app lets you manage access, check the history of who's been in and out, all that good stuff. It's straightforward and effective. Now, here's the kicker: it's not the cheapest safe out there. You're looking at an investment, but considering the build quality, security features, and ease of use, it's definitely worth considering if you value peace of mind and security for your valuables. So, wrapping up, the Lockly Smart Safe gets a big thumbs up from me. It's small but mighty, perfect for apartments, offices, or anywhere you need a compact, secure storage solution. If you're in the market for a smart safe that doesn't compromise on security, definitely give this one a look. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews like this. And as always, let us know in the comments what products you'd like us to review next. Until next time, stay safe and keep exploring the world of tech with us. Take care.